Alright, Algebra 1 people, today I'm going to combine what we've been trying to do and into something different. We're going to be solving systems of linear equations, and I'm going to show you graphically what it would look like. What I do want you to focus on is I'm going to bring this equation over here, is getting y by itself. Alright, we're going to graph these things and be able to do it in our sleep. So what I want to do is I want to make sure both of these equations are in slope-intercept form. Well, this equation here is in slope-intercept form, because you got to remember, y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, b is your y-intercept. I'm going to label these things right here. So in this equation, m is 6, not a run, put a 1, and b, my y-intercept, is negative 11. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and graph that on this coordinate plane here. So I'm going to graph it in green. Alright, so my y-intercept, let's graph it first, is negative 11. Way down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Woo! Way down there. Okay? Which is fine. Okay, I'm get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there's my y-intercept. Let's use my slope now to find my second point. So start at the y-intercept. Slope was 6 over 1, so I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. And guys, you can keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. Okay? You can see that there's a straight line. And I'm going to try to draw a straight line through all these points. Look at that. So pro. So pro. Okay, now let's look at this equation over here now. It is not in slope-intercept form. Got to get y by itself. So let's take everything else to the other side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to add, do the opposite, 2x to both sides. Okay? Now I'm going to kind of not worry about that yet. Cancel out. Let's save ourselves some room here. I'm going to bring down the negative 3y equals positive 2x minus 7. I want x first. Okay? Now let's divide. Do opposite. Opposite multiplies divide. Do opposite. Be fair. Let's be fair to everything. Okay? Cancel out. Y is by itself. Okay, look at your signs. Positive divided by negative is negative. Guys, 2/3 is a decimal. Just leave it at 2/3. Negative over negative is positive. And I got 7 over 3. So now I have a slope, which is negative 2/3. And y-intercept as 7 over 3. Now guys, 7 over 3 is not a perfect number. You're not going to get perfect numbers anymore. Okay? It is what it is, and you got to be able to just roll with the changes there. Okay? 7 over 3, if you did divide on a calculator, you get 2 1/3. It's just a little bit more than 2. So when I graph that y-intercept, 7 over 3, and I divide it. I got 2 1/3. I want to post or plot something, if my stylus would work, somewhere around in there. Okay, it don't have to be perfect. Okay, it don't have to be perfect. But now that I have a slope, okay, which was -2 over 3, I could go down 2 spaces and be careful. Wherever you plot that y-intercept, okay, you kind of have to count down 2 spaces from that. Now, it's not going to be perfect. When I count down 1, 2, it's probably going to be somewhere right in here. And then over 3. So there's my second point. Now, what I want you to be able to see is approximately where these two lines are intersecting. That's why you solve systems of equations. We're trying to find a point of intersection. I know somewhere in this vicinity, I'm going to try to draw a circle around this, somewhere in that general vicinity is an intersection point. Okay? Now, I don't know exactly what that point of intersection is going to be, because, we do have fractions, but nonetheless, we can figure out and solve. Now, let's go back and take a look at what we've done here. Alright, so I made sure that both equations were in slope-intercept form, found the y-intercept, found the slope, and then what I did graphically was tried to show that there is a point of intersection. Now, when you solve systems of equations, we're going to be finding those. Okay? We're going to find that point. Alright? So I will talk to you later.